Let's talk about how customized SMT nozzles can be a game changer for your factory.
In this business, precision isn't just a goal, it's everything.
So, does your production line ever feel like a constant battle? See if this sounds familiar.
These issues, they're not just annoying, they hit your throughput, your defect rates, and your wallet.
So, what's a gripper nozzle? Well, it's not a standard vacuum tool. It physically grabs parts.
Let's put standard and custom nozzles head to head. For your assembly line, the difference is huge.
Customization gets really specific. We're talking special materials or even self-cleaning designs for tough jobs.
Okay, look at this number, 99.99%. What does that mean for you?
It's the pickup rate. That kind of reliability is absolutely key for high yields and quality.
It's simple, really. When you handle parts better, you get a much higher quality product.
But it's not just about quality. It's about working faster and keeping your lines running smoothly.
And all of this helps lower your total cost of ownership by cutting down on waste.
And here's how you get that higher ROI. It all starts with precision, which leads to real savings.
And this isn't just talk. The results are proven by top manufacturers in the field.
So, to sum it all up, this tech directly tackles the biggest needs of a smart factory.
It really is about getting a solution that's built specifically for your unique production line.
So the big question is, are you truly ready for what's coming next in manufacturing?